together.
Yeah, this one is better than previous one, but still like this is not a complete one. Anyone else want to try with perfect
Agile is
definition?
like sprint-wise development. We will release the sprints as per the weekly base or monthly base, and we will
Okay.
update.
Yeah, yeah. Means everyone going to internal part of this methodology, like whatever we have. But I want like a basic difference. Why these two methodology comes in market and what exactly this methodology, project development methodology. Okay, so let me tell you. So first, waterfall model. So whenever we go for project development lifecycle, there will be multiple steps there. Requirement gathering, development, testing, deployment. Okay, so all this phase will come one step by step. Okay, so first phase will be requirement gathering. Okay, then there will be this development phase will be there. Then testing phase will come. Then deployment phase, then production support phase will come. So what happened in a waterfall model, like each phase will come one by one. Okay, so first you will complete the requirement analysis, then only you will go for development. Okay, and once you will go for development, once you will complete the development, then only you will go for testing phase. Okay, so all phase like will come one after another once you will complete the previous stage. And in this phase, in this model, like you can't go like go back. For example, you completed requirement analysis and then during development, you can't go for again requirement analysis. Okay, then everything you need to scrap and you need to start from scratch. Okay, but nowadays, like this model was good when like in previous year, this model was good since market was not too much agile. Okay, so whatever project product we were deciding, that product is full and final product. But nowadays, everything is fast moving. Today you are thinking about some product and suddenly there is a big change in market. Okay, like our market got changed and you have to change many functionality of your product. Okay, so if you will follow waterfall model, then definitely like your project will be never ending project. So that's why this agile methodology comes in picture here. Like it's not hard and fast, like you must need to complete design phase, then only you will go for development phase. So here, whatever like we have like whatever product you have decided, you will divide that product into multiple modules. Okay, small module. And what I think you are sharing your screen, you can stop. Okay. So whatever requirement product you have decided, okay, I'm going to develop this product. So there will be multiple modules. Okay. For example, like you are going to develop one app for healthcare, or you are going to develop one app for this banking system. So there will be multiple module, like one module will be related to customer, one module related will be payment, one module will be related to investment, one module related to be like bank transaction, one module will be related to bank employee. Okay, so there will be multiple modules. Okay, so what we will do there? So we will divide that project into multiple modules and then we will again split that module into sub module. Just give me one minute. So there will be, first of all, like we'll split our entire product into multiple module. And then again, we will split that module into sub module. Okay. Sub module means small task. Now, in agile methodology, there will be multiple people involved in that. So one first person will be Scrum Master. So a Scrum Master will be responsible to identify tasks. Okay, which task should be done with first, which task should be done later on. Okay, and they will divide that like there will be one small target. Okay, so for example, like we like they used to decide, okay, there will be a small delivery that each delivery will known as one sprint. Okay, so we will identify a piece of task that will be delivered in that particular sprint. So sprint will be like you can say smallest unit of your timeline of that entire project, and you have to deliver something. Okay, so that sprint can be 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. That will be decided by your architect or scrum master. Okay, so there is no hard and fast rule. So they can decide sprint of 2 week, 3 week. Okay, I have worked for project for 2 week also, and I have worked for sprint of 3 week also. Okay, and at the end of this sprint, like there will be some task to be delivered. Okay, now how we will identify what all tasks need to deliver in that particular sprint. So for example, there is a Mulesoft team. They have 5 developers. Okay, so each developer will have their capacity. Okay, and their capacity will be decided based on story point, how many story point they can deliver. In a same team, there can be one person having 1 year of experience, and there can be one person having 8 years of experience. So definitely there will be some difference in their capacity. Okay, so a person having 1 year of experience cannot deliver same task what 8 year of experience person can deliver. Okay, so based on their capacity, Scrum Master will decide, okay, who will able to deliver how many story point, and based on that, like accumulated story point will be decided. Okay, so this team, we have 6 developer. Considering all the developer capacity, we can deliver 40 story point in a sprint. Okay, so whenever we will have this uh, like uh, in the agile approach, like we used to have one meeting. I forgot the meeting name. Okay, like for each meeting, there is a specific name. For example, daily meeting where you will give status of your task. And then one meeting backlog grooming. I think backlog grooming is
Stand-up call, is it?
no stand-up call is fine. That will happen daily 10-minute call. That is fine. But before the sprint, there will be one call. I think that is backlog grooming call only. So there, like whatever BA people will be there. So they will tell you, okay, this is this task we have in pipeline. Okay. And then based on that, our Scrum Master will decide, okay, this particular task will do in next sprint. Okay. For example, like BA people come with, okay, we have this 10 task having story point 50, but our capacity is 40 only. So we can't take all the tasks. So they will walk through all the tasks, but we will see like Scrum Master will see, okay, which all task is in priority, and we can deliver 40 story point only. So they will take a priority task having 40 story point. Okay, and next 10 story point will go for next sprint. Okay, I think that backlog grooming only. I think okay, that maybe once you will join project, you will come to know. Okay, so in this way, like you will have sprint, you will have story point. Story point will be associated with each task. Okay, and then you will have Scrum Master who will be responsible to manage the entire team, who will do which task will be delivered in which sprint. Okay, and yeah, daily stand up as someone mentioned, like so daily basis you will have 5 to 10 minute call where each developer will give their status. Okay, and at the end of this sprint, there will be backlog grooming. Okay, So they will review what all task is done, what all task need to move in next sprint. Okay, there may be some task which is not delivered. So that task will be go in backlog, means that need to move in next sprint. Okay, so hope everyone clear with this waterfall model and agile methodology. If anyone has any doubt, let me know. Okay, so it seems everyone is good.
So one question. So where do the product owner fit into this model?
Yeah, product owner means like that will be connected with BA people. Okay, so product owner is there who used to tell like, okay, we want this particular thing. So BA people will connect with them. They will collect the requirement and they will create a story and they will walk through entire team during this backlog call. Okay, so this story are there and we need to achieve this thing. Then Scrum Master will decide, okay, this task we will take in this sprint. Is it clear? Product owner means like, yeah, product owner means who is the owner of that product and they will tell you, okay, this is my requirement. Okay, now BA people will connect with them. They will collect the detailed requirement from them and they will walk through
So the product owner is someone from the business side?
Yeah, it's going to be from business side.
Okay.
Okay, fine then. So next, what we will do now, you will say like this agile methodology, how we will manage. So compared to this waterfall model, definitely agile methodology is complex to manage since we are doing things very minute level. Okay, in 2 weeks only, we will have something to deliver. Okay, so definitely like we need some tool or platform by which we can manage task. Okay, so for that purpose only we have Jira ticketing tool. Okay, so Jira is again Atlassian product. So Atlassian has many good product in market. So Jira is one of them. Confluence is another. Bitbucket, Slack. So these are very like widely used product provided by Atlassian. Okay. Confluence, it's a kind of document repository here. Okay, we'll take through Confluence also. Let's start with Jira. Okay. So in Jira, first thing we need to create project. So I had on this July 22 batch. Okay, I think this is the batch we created. Yes, this is the batch we created. Okay, so
are you sharing your screen?
it's not visible. Let me share again.
Visible.
Okay, let me know if it is visible now.
Yeah, I can see now.
Yes,
Okay.
we can see.
So here, this is the dashboard. Okay, so first let me take you through it, home page. Okay, once you will do login, at that time, here you will able to see all the products. Okay, so I want to use Jira one, so I will select Jira. And here you can create one project. Okay, so maybe you are Scrum Master of 2-3 project. Okay, so you need to create all those 3 project here. But we are going to deal with one project. So I created, click on this create project and you will able to create this project. Now go inside this project. So here, this is our Jira dashboard. Okay. So first thing, as I mentioned, so like there will be some whenever you start working on this agile methodology, you have to identify one deadline. Deadline means one targeted date for delivery. That is our sprint. Okay, so that sprint can be 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, anything you can find, like you can decide. Okay, so first here, once you will create any project, you need to create your sprints. Okay, so that is sprints you will able to create inside. I'm getting some different view. First, let me identify Jira work management. Jira project. This. And then in right hand side, we used to get a sprint option, but this is giving some different view. So let me point out.
I think is it using Kanban framework like Agile? There is a different Kanban.
Yeah. See here you can see now, like we can create a sprint and all roadmap, backlog, and board is there. This is for my different project, but this option I'm not getting backlog option. That I'm searching. Roadmap, Kanban board is there. I think I created this using different approach. Okay, let me try to create this. This one. Okay, and this will be key. Okay, so whenever we will create story, so each story will contain first CUS and then number 0102. Okay. So whenever you will create project, so you need to select that one, Scrum one. Okay, last time by mistakenly I selected Kanban one. We need to select Scrum. Okay, now here inside backlog, go to this backlog, and here you will get option to sprint. Okay, so you can see first sprint is created by default, and here also you can customize it. So there is no start date and end date. So duration, no, it's not custom. It will be 2 weeks starting from. So Monday will be our starting. Okay, and by default it should take target date. You can see here 1/8 by default since we decided duration is 2 weeks. Okay, sprint goal. This is sprint we will do sprint. We will complete grammar for customer information API, and content team will start with their initial integration. Okay, so once API team will provide their YAML, so front-end team will come to know, okay, this fields they will means they will come to know, okay, this will be API structure and the behavior of API they will come to know. So they can start designing their like initial approach. Okay, what all page they will design and how it will look like. Okay, and for testing team, testing team will create test script for sprint. Also, I'm just giving a rough thing. Okay. So sprint 1 is ready. Okay. Now create a sprint. So it will create a sprint 2. Automatically it will take, see, this sprint will start 18 July, will end by 1 August. And this sprint by 1 to 1. Let me see. So what will be 1? It will start on Sunday. 1 is Monday. Something is not good. So it should be 9 a.m. and this is 18th Monday. Okay, let me remove this one. So this will start on 18th and this will go till 18 to 29. Okay. And this sprint will start from so 18 to 29, then it will start from first to first to. Okay, there will be some sprint code. Okay, in this way, like we will have multiple sprint. Okay, that entire project will be decided. Okay, like means here we will not decide a sprint based on entire project, based on deliverable. Okay, in this sprint we will deliver this. Next sprint we will deliver this. We don't know how many sprint it will take. We don't know. Since this is agile approach, things will keep changing. So there will not be hard and fast date. But in waterfall model, there will be fixed date. Okay. Like in 4 month design should be completed, in 5 month development should be completed, in 6 month testing should be completed, and at the end of 2 year our product will be ready. Yeah. Now next we have this letter will go on board. So here you can see you will able to see all the tasks. Right now there is nothing in to do, nothing in progress, nothing in done. So let me create one task here. Okay, so here somebody will be grammar of. Okay, before going to this, I want to add few user. So can 2 person give me their, I think last time, okay, let me check this. How many people we have in this? Is there anyone like who has shared their mail ID for Jira last time?
I did, but couldn't add it. There's some problem. Then you added
Okay,
Alicia's name.
Alisa, yeah, Alisa is here. Maybe one more person can give their name. So give me one more email ID. And Alisa, you are ready with your laptop. If required, you will able to share your screen.
Okay.
Taking this Ashok one. So add people. And Ashok, you will also see able to share your screen, correct? Ashok, are you there?
Yeah, Ravi.
Okay, you will able to share your screen and all, correct?
Yeah, one sec.
Not now, not now.
Oh,
Once I will tell you then.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, for now, just go to your email and accept this invite and create Jira account. Last time we did, so hope you remember like what step we followed. Let me know if you are facing any problem. Let me know. Otherwise,
Yeah, I have not received your invitation.
you haven't.
Yeah, I didn't receive.
Okay, one more person. Can you give me your mail ID? One more person. Meanwhile, Ashok, check your mail again. Refresh your mail.
Yeah, I have checked it, but I didn't get.
So
I checked in spam also.
So who is this? Sutal account.
Yeah,
What is your name?
yeah, so
Sudalya.
Yeah, Ravi, I have received
Okay.
in spam.
Okay, it's going on spam. Okay. Just accept that one and create one account. Or otherwise you can share your screen so we can help you.
Yeah, one second. Is it visible?
Not yet. Yes. So join the team. You have this account already.
No, I don't have the sign up.
Why you are giving login option?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Sign up.
Anything? Is it okay?
Yes. Select anything. Select anything. And Anwar, you have like your webcam is started. Can you stop that one? Again, it got started and what we stopped. Yeah, select anything, any option. Do next.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, Ravi.
Okay. Project name, yeah, you can see now July 22 batch.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see customer information. Okay, wait. Click on customer information. July 22 on watch. Something that was wrong. Click on that customer information and click on done.
Done.
So Alisa, you can also go on same page. Alisa.
Yes.
Yeah, you can also go on same page. So we will do some activity. We will do some exercise. So everyone will come to know how things work in Agile, like in Jira ticketing tool. Okay, fine.
Yes,
yeah.
I'm on the same page.
Okay. Now let me share my screen first. Everyone, let me know if my screen is visible.
Robbie, did you send me the invitation? I sent my email too.
I shared to two email address. One is Suvitya or something was there, and another
The last
one is Only two. We don't need too many invitations
Okay.
for now.
All right.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, next step, like how to create a story. Okay. So generally it will be task of Scrum Master, but sometimes you also need to create. Okay. So you also need to know process. So here, once you will click on create, okay, then you will get option create story. Okay. So here in story also we have many things: task, bug, epic. Okay. I want to create a story. A story means like that will be parent thing. For example, you are working on something. Okay. So first story will be there, and then within this story there will be multiple tasks. Okay. So first thing will be story. So that story is related to. So this will be story will be created by BA people, and then based on that story you will create multiple tasks. Okay. So this will be create customer information in okay. So this is our database name, CL Cloud. Okay, Clever Cloud. So I mentioned it CL Cloud. So first story is to create customer information in CL Cloud database. Like so I am a customer. Everyone go on mute. If you need to speak, then only unmute yourself. Otherwise, you must need to be on mute. Okay. So here what happened? Like okay, let me give you some overview of like what system we are going to work here. So like I am a customer. Okay. And I have created my account. Now I need to update some information related to my address, related to my other information. So if anything need to be delivered, so they will consider those details. So related to that functionality, we are going to work on many API functionality. Okay. So this will be our first story where customer information will be created in CL Cloud database. Okay. So they will give here detailed information. So for now, I will keep it TBD. Okay, since I don't want to waste time here. Since later on we are going to work on functional design document, there we will do detailed discussion. So let's put here TBD. Okay, assigning. So here we have multiple people who are working on this project. Ashok, Sudilya, Alisa. So one by one, I will assign ticket to person. Okay. So like this is the main story. Okay, this is the main story. So let's that BA people created that particular story and assigned to me, and I am Scrum Master. Okay, so this story will be on my name. Okay, select label. Okay, so here label since there will be multiple tasks. Okay, in future if you want to identify if you want to filter out your task, it will be very difficult if there will not be any label. Okay, so better to put label. So this particular task is for multiple team. Okay, this is for API team also. So label I will put API, then front-end team also, test team also. So I kept this three label. If any task or any story is related to this many team. So if I want to filter how many tasks are there or how many story are there, where all three team members are involved. So I will filter with this three label. Then I will get this task. So label you need to create, and this is related to sprint one. Okay, so I will put one more label. Sprint. Okay. So select okay, sprint we have already known to put this label. So here we have two sprint, like so far we have created two sprint, and this task need to be delivered in sprint one. So I selected I select this sprint one. Okay. Now story point. Okay. So for story point, saving all number, but there is some rule. Okay, so story point should be always 1, 3, 5. Actually, like last few days back only, I got one confusion. I like my understanding was like after 5, it will come 9, but somewhere I see in 8. Okay, so I also need to do some analysis on which basis story point is created. But till 1, 3, 5 all are good. Okay, so we will not have 2 or 4. Okay. Okay, that also you can check Agile story point rule. See, somewhere I seen some rules, so I got some confusion, like my understanding is correct or not. What is story point? How? Okay, 2 is also there. The Lincoln number for story point 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. 2 will also be there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 8, 8, 5, 13. Okay. This is the rule. It follow Fibonacci number. Okay, so it follow Fibonacci number. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 8 like that. Okay, so let's say this will be like a very big story. Okay, and multiple people will be involved here. Like so let's keep story point as a 21. Okay, now it will be further divided into small tasks. So each task will have their story point, or maybe for story we will not give any story point. We will give for task. Okay. Reporter who has created this at this moment we don't have BA people, so I am acting as a both BA and Scrum Master. So reporter also I am only the reporter. Okay. Now is this story blocked with any task? No. Any flag? No. Okay. Then click on create. Okay. So this story got created. Now what I can do? Go to dashboard. You can go from here also. And inside this board, so in sprint 1, we have this particular story. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create based on this story, I will create multiple tasks. Okay. So task. First task will be for API team. Okay. So front like Mulesoft team. So Mulesoft team will create YAML code customer information. YAML for customer information system API. Or you can put as a system API or SAPI system API. Okay. And then so here like we will provide some detail about like what will be resource name and other detail. Either you can provide those detail here. Okay, let's provide resource plus customers plus information. Resource name will be this method. Method will be post. Then like we will provide field detail and also other like field detail also. And other detail like to detail. Okay, this kind of details we will provide here. And then who will work on this? Assigning means who will work. So let's Alisa will work on this. Okay, label. So this is for API team. And if any story is created particularly for API, so I will put name as a digital API. Okay, this story is created for API team, and particularly it's created by API team. Like as a Mulesoft developer, like our Scrum Master, like Mulesoft Scrum Master created this for API team. So I added one additional label, digital API. Okay, and then sprint, which sprint we will do it in sprint 1. Story point. So this will be YAML will be very small task, one story point. Okay, now for story point also, based on the complexity, you need to decide how many points, and then whatever point you will give, your BA people should be convinced with that story point. Okay, so since they are paying us for our work, okay, business is paying us for their like whatever task they are giving, we are doing that and they are billing us. Okay, so whatever story point or effort you are giving as a story point, that should be convincing for her, like sorry, convincing for them. Okay, if they are not convinced, they can they can raise concern. Okay, so this is not a complex task why you are taking this many story point. Okay, so whatever story point you will give, it should be just like you should be able to justify that. Okay, and then blocked by nothing. Okay, but this is related. Okay, this is not blocked, but this is related to which story? Related to story was US. What was story number? Anyone remember that story number? Not giving a suggestion. Oh, that's item 1. What's not giving suggestion? Should come in suggestion. So this particular task is related to this story. So I linked that one. Okay, and then there is no flag. Create another is related. Okay, so you can see this particular task got created in this sprint and is assigned to Alisa. Okay, unassigned. Assigned to Alisa. So Alisa, can you share your screen now? And we will see like that you will able to receive first. You will you share your screen, show your mail. So you will get one email notification and then open your Jira board.
Okay.
First open your email.
Did not receive any mail.
Go to spam. Okay, go to dashboard. Ideally, you should able to receive email also, but yeah, sometime just refresh this one.
Sorry.
Okay, go to no, you are in incorrect position. So you should go to you are inside July 22, but you need to go inside customer information. Go to projects. Yeah, there only, there only, there only. Yeah, projects. No, go there only. And before that, there is a projects. Click on that. Right hand side, then little bit off. You can see on top of your screen projects here. View all projects, customer information. Okay. And then, okay, you can't see any pages. Okay, click on A. You can see now A in orange color. Click on that. You haven't started a sprint. Oh, sorry. Actually, that sprint is not started. That's why it's not coming here. Okay, so let me change this date of the sprint. Let's start today only. Since the sprint start date is on Monday, that's why you can't see here. So what I will do, let me change that sprint one date from today only, from 16 only. Then that should come here.
Here it is showing.
Yeah, there it will come. Okay. Here where you got this inside the backlog. No, from where you got it? From backlog?
From notification.
Okay, but in board it's not coming since our sprint will start on 18. Let me change that one to today, 16. Okay, let me update this. Yeah, now go to board and refresh the page. Still not coming. Scroll down.
Showing.
Okay, click on A. Okay, fine. Ideally it should come since I changed the date starting from today. But okay, go to backlog. Click on backlogs again. Before board, there is a backlog section. In left hand side, please.
Yeah, I think we have an option right to start sprint. Suppose we are click to clicking start.
Start.
Okay, let me see.
Should I start the sprint?
Okay, click on that. Actually, I can't see. Yeah, click on that. 16 is there. Yes, start. Okay. Okay, now it's coming here. But here you can see, like we have that story also and one task also. Okay, so here also you can filter out like instead of showing all the tasks, you can display only your task. Now, whenever you will receive any work, okay, any task. So first thing will be you need to change status from to do to. You can see in right hand side to do. Yeah, you need to change it in progress. Since you started working on this particular task, so you need to change status first thing. Okay, and then there will be, okay, let me share my screen. I will now everything I will do on behalf of Alisa, but ideally developer need to do all this thing, what I'm showing now. Okay, let me share my screen. Oh, so wrong place, that's right. Okay, so you can see here. This task was in this particular to-do section, but now it moved in progress since C did that change. Okay, and everything you will able to see in history also. Okay, so here at the bottom, you will able to see history. So in history, everything will come. I created this 6 minutes ago, assigned. This is okay. I created this, like I related that issue with customer one, and Alisa as a developer, she changed status in progress. Okay. Now, whatever I will do, that should be done by Alisa, but I am doing on behalf of her to speed up the process. Okay, first thing, like first thing, maybe I'm not getting that option. Since I am not developer, maybe that's why I'm not getting that options.
Do you want to log the hours, Ravi?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I think developer can only do.
Yeah.
Okay, other thing I can show here, like comments. Okay? If anything required to, like for example, Alisa is not okay. Better Alisa use screen.
I need to share the screen.
Yes. Okay, you can click on custom. First, there will be green color custom. Okay, click here only. Oh, sorry, you create. Okay, on top in URL, you can see cus1. Just change 1 to 2 and click enter. Click enter. Okay, so first thing, scroll down. You can see here in comment section. For example, you are not clear with some requirement, okay, and you want to point out something. Okay, so you can type here. Okay, so like you need, since in this particular YAML, I haven't shared like a body detail, like request and response structure. So you need that detail to proceed further. Okay, so in comment, just type, just first put at the rate of, at the rate. Okay, R. Yeah. So like I can't, like you can put here comment. I can't find any like request and response structure. Structure. And you can put like something, please provide me this like request and response structure to proceed further. Okay. And then click, wait. And if you want to put someone in CC, for example, I am Scrum Master or I am like, I can provide this detail, but you want to notify some other person also. Your task is blocked due to this region. So after that, click enter. And then put CC. CC.
CC.
Yeah. Space. Then again at the rate of. Why other people are not coming here? Just who all are there? I think Ashok. Put type Ashok. Yeah. Select Ashok. So what will happen once you will save this? I will also get notification and Ashok will also get notification on email. Okay, like there is some comment provided by Alisa, and once I will get email, I will open that and I will able to see, okay, this is the like things which Alisa need for this particular story. Yeah. So in this way, like we can do some communication also, and everything will be recorded. One good point will be here. Whatever like someone like Alisa is working here, whatever like things we are missing or whatever additional details you need, everything is getting recorded in comment. So it's a good practice instead of sending email or sending personal chat, put here. Okay, so it will be easy for any other person like who are not, who were not involved during development phase, but if any other further communication happened, they can go through comment and they will understand, okay, this thing happened in between the development. Okay. After this, you can send email also, but must try to put comment in story first. And then due to some reason, if he's not getting notified or he forgot to see email, then you can ping him personally and you can ask him to check notification to check this story. Okay. Now daily basis, like whatever progress she is doing, so she need to notify. Okay. So for that purpose, scroll down. this add log and other option is not coming. Okay, scroll up. On right hand side, you can see 3 dot. Click on that right hand side. Top right, yeah. So add flag, add parent, mode clone, action menu, print. Add flag means, okay, let me explain this one also. For example, your task is blocked due to any reason. There is some dependency and that task is not delivered yet. And your task is blocked. So in that case, you can use this add flag option. Okay. Then collect Slack channel, that is not required, but add log option I can't see. So,
For open source, we won't get any log option, Ravi.
I did in open source also. Like you can track like how many, like you can give update like how many hours you spent and what all you completed. This is you can see that link issue now. Just after that, there is one option. No, in center link issue. On oh yeah, after that, click on that once.
This one?
No. No, that is not required. Okay, I will check later on. So, okay, scroll down one, scroll down.
Hello.
Everyone go on mute.
Okay,
it's coming from Melissa side only. Melissa go on mute. Okay, click on all. Scroll down, scroll down. Option is not coming. Okay, we'll see that part later on. So there is another option like where you can put, okay, for example, this is for one sprint, sorry, one like story point, and you have targeted to complete within 2 days. Okay, so in 2 days, how many of Alisa, you can go out, some noise is coming from your side. So like you have decided, means based on your capacity, it will take 2 days to complete this ramble. Okay, so like you have estimated, okay, or your scrum master has estimated, okay, you need to complete this task in 2 days, means 8 hours into 8 hours, 16 hours. So today you got only 4 hours to work on this, and 4 hours you worked on some other story. So you will log here, okay, for this 16 hours, you completed 4 hours on this. So in log option, it will ask you like what is estimated hour. So you will put 16 hours as estimated hour, and how much you completed. You completed 4 hours. Okay, so you will log, okay, you completed 4 hours. Then next day, when you will complete this next 8 hours, then you will log again 8 hours. So out of 16, you completed 12 hours. So in this way, you can show your status, how much task completed and how much task is pending. Is it clear to everyone? Everyone clear with this?
So we just put in the comments for the number of hours we work.
No. There will be another option that will be log option. This option is not coming at this moment. So I will figure out like why it's not coming. And
Yeah, what is the use of a story point?
okay, so story point like that will help like BA people, means or means what you can say. Story point, first of all, like if anyone thinking like story point is directly related to number of hours, then it's incorrect. Okay, story point and number of hours is not related to each other. but based on the complexity of task, you are giving some story point. And your agile, like this agile approach works on based on story point. Okay, so based on the number of developer, uh, like this Scrum Master will identify what is the capacity of this particular team, is how many story point we can deliver. Okay, and based on the complexity of task, the task will get some story point. Okay, we have identified this team can deliver 40 story point. So, and that particular like BA people has created 10 or 20 storage. Okay, and they have created 200 story point. So that is not our capacity to deliver 200 story point in a sprint. We can deliver 40 only. So now Scrum Master will identify, they will do discussion with BA people. Okay, which task you want first? Okay, they will start selecting and they will take number of tasks. Everyone go mute. They will identify how many tasks will, how many priority tasks has total story point as a 40. So only those story will be selected for that particular sprint. Okay, so in short, like we can say, story point decides the complexity of our task. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah, and so do they prioritize based upon the story point count? Do they do the prioritization based on the count?
Which prioritize, like I didn't
No,
get
a
this.
story. No, how do they like prioritize based
No,
upon the
no, no.
story points?
That BA people will tell which functionality they want to integrate first.
No, that's what they do it based on story point or based
No,
upon the
no,
business requirement.
based on business requirement.
Okay.
There can be one story having one story point, and that is on high priority. Business want to deliver it first. And there can be one story having higher point, but they don't want in this sprint. So we will exclude that one and we will take a story having, means whatever they want to deliver first, we will take those story first. I hope I cleared your question.
Yeah. It's clear.
Ravi, I have one question.
Go ahead.
Yeah, if you have this requirement for the insurance or banking project, whatever it is, so first the project is splitted into the task, correct? Some 10 to 20 tasks like that. And every task having some 40 to 30 to 40 story point, depends the priority.
First, it will be divided into multiple modules. Okay.
Okay.
So you are going to work on like complete application. In that application, there will be multiple modules, like some module will be related to customer, some module will be related to payment, some module will be related to like invoicing and all. Some other module will be there related to some other activity like insurance and all, or some other module will be related to transaction and all. Okay, so based on the like functionality, like high level functionality, not low level, high level functionality, first module will be decided. Now each module will be again splitted into multiple storage. Okay, for example, in customer part only, there will be multiple story. First, customer registration, then customer login, then customer update. So in this way, like there will be multiple story. Now again, story will be divided into multiple tasks. Inside customer registration only, there will be small tasks, like first will be RAML for system API, then RAML for process API, then RAML for experience API, then integration of development of system API, development of process API, development of experience API. Okay, then deployment will be there. So a small task will be there.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Got it. Thanks.
Okay, fine. I think we are done with this discussion. Anything else? Alisa, I'm sharing my screen, so you can stop sharing.
Ravi, you can go to settings and you can activate the logging hours, Ravi.
And I tried the story point estimation here.
I mean, for the whole project, you need to grant logging of hours. So on right corner, you had a settings. You can go and you can activate there.
Okay, let me open first. So time tracking. Okay. From here, I selected time tracking. Now it should be here. Cancel it. Save change. Back to project. Yes. Yes. Let's see. Time tracking is there. So now the straight off here. What? So here you can see log work. Click on this. Time spent, time remaining. Okay, first there is total estimation. Okay, they have changed the page. Previously, they were used to give like first estimated time, then how much time you spent. So here now they are giving simply time spent and time remaining. So let's say we are expecting this task to be completed into 1 week, 5 days. Okay, so I completed 1 day. Okay, and I want to complete in 5 days. Or you can put in hour basis also. So 5 day and in agile approach, 5 day means 1 week, Monday to Friday. Okay, and in hour, 40 hour means 1 week. Okay, if you want to put in hour, then 40 hour means 1 week. And you logged 1 day means you completed 8 hours. Instead of 1 day, you can put 8 hours. 8 hour means 1 day. Out of 1 week, 1 day logged. Saved. Okay. And then you can see here progress. Time tracked 1 day, 1 week remaining. Total is 1 week. So it should be 4 day remaining. Let me see something that's not good here. Time remaining will be time remaining will be 4 day only. Okay. So total is total I need 5 day. 1 day completed, 4 day remaining. Again, I will go to work log, and then okay, we can't add multiple. They changed their console a bit. Previously, there was some other option. Now you completed 1 more day. Previously, like each log were coming separately. Now it looks like one place only. So I completed task for another day also. So I completed 2 days here. Next day again I will come, and next day I work for only 4 hours. Okay. So now it will be 2 day, 4 hours. Time format 2 day, 4 hours. What's not taking? Okay, then let's give in hour only. So 2 day means 8 hours and then 12 hours. Sorry, 16 plus.
You are using the comma. That's why it is not taking. There should be some space between days and hour.
Okay. 2 week. 4 hours. Left with total 5 months. So left with 2 weeks. 4 hours. Okay. So you can see in this way, you can log how much task you have completed and what was your estimation. Okay, hope everyone clear with this. Any doubt, let me know. Otherwise, we will end this topic and we'll start next. Okay, fine then. If all good, then let's take 10-minute break and then we will start conference and what else? We will see conference and then another one is three products are there in the plans here. Jira, conference and Bitbucket. I think we will work on this Git only. So no need to work on Bitbucket. One more product is there, which is good and widely used by organizations. Jira is there, conference is there. Okay.
Will we use Jira? Sorry, Jenkins as well in this project?
Yes, we will use. That we will see once we will complete one project, then we will go for Jenkins.
Okay.
Okay, fine then. So let's take a 10-minute break. So it's 11:02. We'll connect at 11:15 at EST. Okay, and Indian time will be, I think, 8:45. Correct? After 10 minutes, 8:45 only. Yes, 8:45. Okay. Fine then. Let's connect after 10 minutes. 8:45 and 11:15.